because we're making a Philly cheesesteak impossible pie! Let's prepare a pie dish. I'm just chopping up some deli roast beef. Placing that pie plate with a chopped green pepper, a little onion, and I have some shredded provolone and mozzarella mixed. Grab a bowl, half a cup of Bisquick, a cup of milk, 2 eggs, and some black pepper. And give it a good whisk. And pour over that roast beef mixture. And this is gonna get baked in a 400-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes. Philly cheesesteak impossible pie. It's good. I love an impossible pie. Good flavors. Love that roast beef. I think it would be good with some horsey sauce on top. I think I'll give this a 7.3 out of 10. Impossible!